Hadin balade bantep ela ka jong ka vote u Conrad ke sangma menteri rang ba ka jala ulakam baha kani ka kenti ka Jingjop kan dei bet jong ka seng NPP.
We are getting good response from everywhere. We are seeing that people have come out or coming out in large numbers to vote. Even in South Tura constituency, we have not seen this kind of turnout in the past. So it's a good sign. It's good for democracy, and we are happy to see that people are coming out and casting their vote in this election.
So how do you see the wave this time?
Well, I have already mentioned to you earlier that it's positive, and we're definitely very confident that it will be in our favor. And there's never been ever a pre-poll alliance with any political party ever. So this election is no different. And in other elections also, campaign has been there against us, and we have campaigned against them. So that is what it happens in election. So it's nothing new.